Whether it's for the 4th of July or you're simply looking for something special for a cookout or for a cook-in, that's when we cook our grilled favorites inside rather than out. We have just the thing. Shish kebabs, and we're making them steakhouse worthy. We start by parboiling a handful of creamer or baby potatoes until they're fork tender. Once they are, we drain them. While they cool, we cut a couple of thick ribeye steaks into good-sized chunks. Starting with a premium cut like this ensures these are going to be super tender. And rather than using pieces of red and green peppers like we normally do, we thought using whole mini sweet peppers would set our kebabs apart from the rest. Now all we do is take our skewers and alternate the peppers with the beef and baby potatoes until everything is used up. Right before they go on the grill or into a grill pan, we brush them with some pesto. Once they're cooked to your desired doneness, they're ready to serve. If you want, you could even brush on a little more pesto to make them extra saucy. So if you're looking for a main dish that'll melt in your mouth, all you have to do is go to our website and type in what we call Pesto Steak Kebabs. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a steakhouse kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.